Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. It is 11:45 in Honolulu, 4:45 in New York on Friday. Happy Aloha Friday, as we say on the islands. It is the 19th day of December, 2025, and this is the Daily Report for Gold and Silver, our weekend review. Lastly, we do want to make an announcement, and that is from Wednesday, December the 24th to January the 2nd, that is a Friday, the staff at the Gold Forecast will be on holiday break. For those that appreciate the fine island of Oahu, stay tuned after the closing credits for a special treat. Against the backdrop of dollar strength today, front month or spot December gold gained $61.30 per troy ounce, or 1.43% this week, taking an ounce to $4,361.40. However, silver told a much more bullish story, with COMEX silver ending the week 8.94% higher, taking a troy ounce to $66.84.5. Gold today had modest gains of $5.30 or 0.12%. Gold has also been trending higher, but nowhere near the strong angle that we have seen in silver. When we convert our daily into a weekly chart, you can see that we did have a small correction in gold that did not occur in silver, and gold has been trading significantly higher, gaining $39 on the week or 0.90%. But that pales when we compare recent performance in gold to the recent performance in silver. Silver has been absolutely on fire. We are looking at the most active March contract of silver futures, up 3.04% or $1.99, taking a troy ounce to $67.44. But to get a true sense of how silver has traded, especially over the last 4 weeks, this is the true definition of parabolic when you consider that on the week of Monday, November the 24th, silver was at $50 and change, and now it is over $67, a $17 rise in 4 weeks. We are looking at a daily gold chart of the continuous futures contract, now representing most active February. As you can see, the highest close on record occurred during the week of the 20th of October. That was a Monday, when we saw gold close just in excess of 4,400. We are currently trading at around $4,368 after having a strong finish to the week, although we've had moderate gains and a small sell-off yesterday. As you know, I am on record looking for gold to trade in excess of 4,400 by the end of the year. Now, we did hit that target, as I said, on October the 20th, and are now just shy of that price target. However, I believe that we are close enough that gold could easily challenge and take out the all-time record high of October the 20th by the end of this year or January of next year. Regardless of where gold ends up this year, if it ends up above 4,400 or even at our current pricing, which comes in at roughly 43.69, this has been a wild ride to say the least, considering that on Monday, December the 24th, gold was at $2,815 and has almost doubled since that price point. This has been Gary Wagner
and Joseph Wagner,
wishing you, as always, good trading.
We'll talk to you on Monday for our next daily report.
What better place to be than right here? I like to be barefoot, carefree, strolling on the beach at Waikiki. Just your soul, strolling on the beach at Waikiki. Waikiki, ooh, strolling on the beach at Waikiki. Brown Hawaiian maidens greet you with a smile, and the big waves caress the shore and linger for a while. Of all the places you can go, only one will soothe your soul, strolling on the beach at Waikiki. I like to be barefoot, carefree, strolling on the beach at Waikiki. Just smell the breeze, a hula melody, strolling on the beach at Waikiki. Gardenia blossoms crawling, share the day with me. Beach boys grab their boards and head straight out to the sea. Of all the places you can go, only one will soothe your soul, strolling on the beach at Waikiki. Waikiki, ooh, strolling on the beach at Waikiki. Waikiki.